Welcome to our comparison video where we take a closer look at two popular motherboards, the GIGABYTE B650 Eagle AX and the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS. In this video, we will explore their key features, specifications, and performance to help you decide which motherboard is the best fit for your build. We'll dive into their CPU socket compatibility, PCIe support, and RAM capabilities, so stay tuned. The GIGABYTE B650 Eagle AX features an AM5 socket, making it compatible with the latest AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors. This allows for cutting-edge performance and future-proofing your build. On the other hand, the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS utilizes an AM4 socket, supporting AMD Ryzen 5000 and 3rd-gen Ryzen CPUs. While it offers solid performance, it may not be suitable for those looking to upgrade to the latest CPU technology. When it comes to PCIe support, the GIGABYTE B650 Eagle AX offers PCIe 5.0, which provides double the bandwidth of PCIe 4.0. This is crucial for users looking to take advantage of the latest graphics cards and storage devices. In contrast, the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS supports PCIe 4.0, which, while still capable, may limit performance when using next-gen components. The GIGABYTE B650 Eagle AX supports DDR5 RAM, allowing for higher speeds and improved performance in memory-intensive tasks. This is a significant advantage for gamers and content creators. Conversely, the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS is limited to DDR4 RAM, which, while still effective, may not provide the same level of performance as DDR5. This difference can impact overall system performance, especially in demanding applications. In conclusion, the GIGABYTE B650 Eagle AX stands out with its AM5 socket, PCIe 5.0 support, and DDR5 RAM compatibility, making it an excellent choice for high-performance builds. Meanwhile, the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS offers great value for users on a budget, providing solid performance with its AM4 socket and PCIe 4.0 support. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs and budget. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech content.